Hey guys, it's Pyro Bros. I'm gonna be making a video on my fireworks stash for 2017. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe already. Oh wait, if you haven't subscribed, or if you're new to this channel, subscribe and leave a like on this video. It'd really help a lot. So first we have like these M98s, piles. Yeah, I found some fireworks, and then we have some opened Wolfpack bottle rockets. Right, and then we have some whistling fountains over here. And then we have two unopened packs of bottle rockets, Wolfpack. Yeah, Wolfpack bottle rockets. Sorry. And then we have like 12 of the Saturn missile 25 shot things. See, and then I have these half a brick of, I don't know if you can see. Sorry, it's upside down. Thunder bomb firecrackers by Phantom Fireworks. I'll do a demo on these two. And then I have an open pack of these Copperhead Shell mini kit. They look like this. I will be doing a demo on all of the fireworks that I'm showing you guys, so stay in tune in my channel. Stay in tune in my channel so y'all can see it when I upload it. Okay, and then we have 3 of these Crackling Mine 7-shot cake by Phantom Fireworks. I saw a demo on these. I'm gonna do a demo on these too. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes of M98s with 72 firecrackers in it. Sorry for the pause there. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these color red pearl 10-shot. 6 by Phantom Fireworks. Then I have 2 of these Copperhead mini shell kits and in there, as you can see right behind there, 2 of those. And then I have the Speed of Light by Miracle Brand, 5 apiece. I have 3 of those. Then I have these canister by Phantom Fireworks shells. See, they're kind of open, but I have 3 of those. And then I have these magic crystals. These are really good. I'll do a demo on this one too later on. What else do we have? Oh no, that's pretty much it actually. Hope you guys enjoy my fireworks stash video. I will be doing a demo on all of these when 4th of July comes or something. And I'll be doing demo on this soon because, they're already open and shit. Alright then, thank you, bye. Like and subscribe and comment down below what else I need to do. Thanks.